everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dila and I'm doing sewing videos. So if it's something that you're interested in, then please keep on watching. For the first one, it's going to be shorts that I'm going to turn into a skirt, and the story behind it is that I was in Greece and I bought it there on vacation like a long time ago, a few years ago, and the quality of it's good. Like, it's made in Italy, so I suppose it's good quality, but I didn't wear it as much as I would like. I just feel like the combination of it being shorts and also the pattern just gave me like a pajama look. So that's at least how I felt when I wore them. So I wanted to make it something more wearable for me, and I love the pattern because I love flower patterns, and especially in summer. So starting off with the shorts that I'm going to turn into a skirt. First thing first, I cut the seam on the crotch area and then I just sewed it straight down. It looks like this from the inside, and you can just cut the excess fabric. But it was too short as a skirt, so I had to fix that problem. I knew that it's going to be a bit short, so I knew I had to add another fabric to it. First, I thought of this denim look-alike fabric, and it was cute, but then I found another fabric that just fit perfectly with this pattern, so I had to use it. And if you remember, if you watched my last video, then you probably remember this piece that I hated, but it was only because it was on the wrong piece of clothing. So now with this skirt, I think it matches perfectly. And of course, I measured before if it's enough so that it won't be too short. And yes, it is still short, but it was going perfectly, so I had to add it. And also I added a bow, of course, because who would I be without bows? I am going to say that I wasn't sure if I should combine the two, like the denim look-alike and the white fabric that I found, but my friends said it's too weird, and I kind of agree because maybe it was just too much. But I tried to see how it looks, and it was long, and I don't know, I think it might be cute, but maybe it will leave me with less options to wear it with other stuff. I ironed the seams and also the seam that I did earlier. And this is how it looks, the final product, and I think it turned out to be super cute, and it goes perfectly with this top. And is it short? Yes, it still is, but for shorts underneath, so everything is fine. For the second project was a corset top that I actually made myself, no pattern. It is a cute top, but it's very itchy, also kind of wide at the sides. The first thing I did was to add a lining. It's not actually full lining. All I did was to add scraps where it was itchy, which is at the seams at the top and the bottom of the top. So I also wanted to use the fabric for something else, but also I'm lazy. Let's get into it. So just like I said, I added lining to the inside of the top, but I only cut like straps where I need, which is at the top and the bottom, and that way it won't be itchy with this fabric. And for the sides, I didn't want it to be so wide, so I added those hooks that you can just clip if you want to. And would I rather it to be silver instead of black ones? Yes, but this is what I had, so we're working with what we have right now. And then I decided that I want to also change the shape of the top, because I don't know, it felt right, and I decided that this is what I'm going to do. And also I wanted to add this Eiffel Tower charm that was actually from an earring. And this is the finished top. I think it looks so good and it fits perfectly, and I really love how it turned out. And you cannot tell me that this look doesn't look like some of Sabrina Carpenter's stage outfits. And am I obsessed? Yes, yes, I am. And moving on to the last project, which is this top that was too tight on me and it wasn't comfortable. So I decided I want to use some other fabric to add it to the top. And this was pretty easy. I just measured where the center back of the top was and I marked it and then just cut it with some scissors. So I picked this flower print and I attached the fabrics that I had of it together. But as you can see, it's really wide and I don't know how I thought that this was the measurements that I needed. But anyway, I'm just ironing the seams that I did and attaching it to the top on both sides with pins and then sewing it and ironing it. And you can see I ended up using much less of this fabric. I don't know what the hell was I thinking with those measurements, but sometimes things like that happen to me. And this is the finished look. It is so much more wearable and comfortable for me, and I really like how the back is looking. It's super cute with the flowers, and I hope I inspired you to take some of your old clothes that you don't wear so much and make something different about them that will make you wear them much more. So let me know if you loved this video, and of course let me know which one was your favorite. I'm still not sure which one is mine, but I'm thinking the skirt because I'm sure that I'm going to wear it a lot. And here I even tried to wear it as a top, and it's actually kind of cute. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment because it really helps me to get to more people. I love making those videos, so I hope you enjoy them too, and I will see you in the next time.